What is going on, everybody? You know who it is, and just giving an update for our channel and everything and everybody that follows and is subscribed to it. We are now going to start going back into computer gaming since I have resurrected my old gaming laptop. So I mean, PlayStation over there, which you can't see where over there. I can see my hand pointing. Is still going to be on the channel and stuff. This is probably going to be the mainstream, but I'm going to start doing trucking simulators and stuff on a computer just for the fun of it, because I love this stuff. Plus, I mean, I kind of want to make sure I can still have a wide variety of gaming and stuff instead of just on a console. So yeah, there's the update. Our first game here, as you see, is American Truck Simulator. That's downloading on the screen right in front of you. You will have webcam view of me now on the computer. Still not going to have anything on the PlayStation. Keep the face off the PlayStation for a while, probably, but it will be on the computer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and we shall see you next time.